Hey guys, today we are going to be cooking dog. Okay? Right? We're going to cook you. So first we're going to get our gloves on that we got from the Dog Foundation where they cook dogs in Russia. Okay? So open up the oven. Let's get him cooked. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, the dog's on the floor. Okay, come on. Open up the oven and get this dog in there. Okay, well, we might need some short intermission. Next part, we're going to be cooking the dog. So first we need to add a treat inside so the dog get nice and tasty. Okay, get the treat. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, now that we got the dog in here, yes, totally. We gotta put on the fish. But we need the temperature at. So right now we don't have the temperature at anything. Bake for let's say 800 Fahrenheit. Okay, now let's start it. Okay, now that's started, we can watch it cook. So here's a time lapse of it cooking. Okay, we're taking this dog out of the oven. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, dog on the loose. So here's our dog. Now, okay, now we gotta add some seasoning. Okay, now that we have our dog on the table, just add some pepper. Add some. Well, sadly, our dog ran away, and we accidentally poured too much salt on the cat, and the cat got spicy, and then the dog, and yeah. So this video is also sponsored by fryingdog.com. So we like to fry dogs at fryingdog.com, and everyone goes to that app. If you don't go to the app, you can't watch this video. And if this video has over 30 views, I should get over $30, okay? So, yeah. Thanks for watching, and go save my dog, because she is dead.